Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to today's grade 7 coding lesson. We are busy on code.org with lesson 6, and we are going to carry on learning more about loops. So I am pasting the link in the chat for you guys now. So I can see Amo is there already and Gao. So the first one I'm going to start doing on my own, and then you guys can put up your hands if you can help me. Or do you want to start helping me from the start? Who of you want to start with the code, or should I just start? Yeah, I don't see anyone's hand, so I'm going to start. So the assignment in lesson 6, puzzle number 2 is use 5 of the same blocks to get the scrap metal. So that means I need to put it in a loop. And then I need to move forward 5 times. So at this stage, we don't need the collect block because we are just gliding over everything and then we pick it up. So I'm going to choose run, and then we can see if my code is working. Okay, so do you want to see that again, guys, or can we carry on? Okay, you are very quiet this early in the class. Is there anyone that's not on the same page as I am? Okay, Amo says I can carry on. So we are going to do puzzle 3. Oh, no, we're not going to do puzzle 3 because that one has already been done. And unfortunately, you can't really refresh it for some reason. So we're going to go on to puzzle 5. Do you guys see puzzle 5? Just tell me yes or no in the chat as soon as you see puzzle number 5. Okay, Gao says I can carry on. So who's going to tell me what I need to do first? Gao, are you the one? So I need to get all the scrap metal, and then I need to create a loop that uses only one block inside of a repeat block. So let me do that. So what do you think I need to use? Do I need to use the forward block, or do I need to use the turn left block? What do you guys think? Hey? All right. Move forward. Gao says I need to move forward. So let me move forward 5 times. Well done, guys. Thank you for that advice, Gao and Amu. Let's carry on to the next puzzle. These ones are quite easy, so we're going to move fast. So we are going to do puzzle 6 now. And it says, in this puzzle, use 2 repeat loops to get BB8 to all of the scrap metal. You are welcome to put up your hand if you want to help me, or otherwise, I will start coding so long. Okay, Amo says I need to move forward 4 times. So I guess I need to put that in a loop, Amo. Is that what you mean? Move forward 4 times. And then I need to turn left or right. Do I need to turn left or right, guys? Right, yes, Amo says right. And then I need to move forward. How many times? 5 times, 4 times, 3 times? Amo says 5 times. Let me run the code and see. Okay, so that worked out for me. Did it work out for you guys? Amu? Okay. How says it worked out? Let's show the code again. Let's show the code again. Okay, great. Let's carry on to puzzle 7. I'm putting the link for puzzle 7 in the chat for you guys. So what am I supposed to do first? Rita or Gao or Amo, who can tell me? I probably need to move, yes, and then I need to turn left, Amo says. And then what do I need to do? I need to repeat it how many times? 5 times. Oops, I wasn't supposed to turn left. I was supposed to turn right. Let me do it again. Did you get that? Kamu and Gao, can I carry on? Let me carry on. So now, this one, I need to loop, even work with more than one block inside. So this is a more complex loop. So I probably need to move forward how many times? Hi, Joanna, it's fine. Should I just run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 times Gao says. Okay, and then what should happen after that 3 times? Gao is saying 4. So I'm a bit confused now, guys. So I should move forward 3 times, and then I should turn left or right. Let's run the code again and see. Oh, Amo, I was supposed to turn right, and I turned left. Okay, so let's finish that loop. And now I need to do what? Yeah, I know, Amo, you said right. I mean, I should have listened to you from the beginning. Okay, so now we say repeat 3 times, move forward, 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 then turn right. Okay, but now we have a problem. Because now all I move forward and I move backward blocks are gone. What are we supposed to do now? Let's see what happens if we do this. Yes, I hear you. We must loop, Amu, but what? How? Because look at me going now. I'm going in all different directions. Let me reset it to the start. Put up your hand if I can unmute you, and then you guys can assist me. Okay, so let me say, first of all, I need to move forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. And then what do I need to do? I need to turn right. And then what do I need to do? Move forward again. 1, 2, 3. And then what do I need to do after that 3 times? So do you think I can put it in a loop for 6 times? What did I do wrong? Ah, there's Jonah. I'm going to unmute you. What am I supposed to do? Please help me.
Okay, ma'am, you should put 3 move forwards inside the loop.
Yeah, but if I put 3 move forwards inside the loop, then my move forwards are finished. Then I can't go into the next loop. But let's try it out. Okay, so 3 move forwards into the loop and then?
Turn right.
Turn right inside the loop, yes. And then?
Yes, you can run it. I'm not sure if it will work. 3 times. It must be 3 times.
3 times. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Well done. You saved the day. Well done, Jonah. Thank you. You saved the day. Let me show you again. Is there anybody that is copying this on their computer? Do you need me to go slower? Let me just show you one more time because I'm very proud of this that Jonah helped us with. Okay, well done, well done. Let's continue to puzzle number 9. Are you guys ready? Who is going to help me with puzzle number 9? Anyone, or can I ask Jonah again? Okay, you are the only one with your hand up, Jonah. Let's ask you. What am I supposed to do first?
You should put it in a loop.
Yes.
So I think you should turn right, and actually I'm not sure.
Okay, so I think we need to move forward And then we need to turn left or right, but that's for you to decide. Let me run it. So I was supposed to turn right
Right.
and then move forward again. Let's see. So maybe it's left as well. Let's see. Did you see that code, Jonah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you trying to do that on your computer as well, or are you only watching today?
Oh, I'm also doing it.
Okay, so it's repeat 5 times for those that are copying it onto their computers, and then it's move forward, turn right, move forward, and then turn left. Have you copied that, Jonah? Do you need more time? Amo, do you need more time? Gao? Okay, it seems like everyone is done. Let's run it one more time. Okay, let's go to the next one, puzzle number 10. Okay, we're going to skip that one for now. Okay, let's see. Use what you've learned to pick up all of the scrap metal. Anyone that wants to help me with that? Anyone? Amu? How? Oh, Jonah's hand is up again. Anyone else? Amu, are you sure? Okay, cool. Let me give Jonah another chance. What am I supposed to do?
First, you have to move forward twice.
Okay. And then?
And then you turn right.
Okay. And then?
And then you move forward 3 times again. 3 times.
Okay. And then?
You turn right.
Yeah.
And then you move forward 4 times.
Move forward 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then?
Turn right.
Mm-hmm.
And then you move forward. You move forward twice.
Okay, but now see, we're only allowed to use 11 blocks and we used 14. So do you think we can
Maybe
put
we
this
can put
part
them in a loop.
Which ones?
Okay, the one with 3 of the move forward and the one with 4 of them.
Yeah, but remember it needs to repeat. It needs to repeat the same thing. So we could do this. Potentially, it could work, but not necessarily. Can take this out and throw this away. Now we've used 9 of the 11 blocks. We could do something like this. Let's run it. I don't think it's going to work, but let's run it. Yeah, we did something wrong. What did we do wrong? Who can help me? Gao? Amu? Where are you guys today? You are very quiet. Jonah, what did I do wrong there? Do you think I need another forward?
Can we run it again?
Okay.
Oh, you're supposed to have 4 move forwards. That's why.
Okay. Let's add another move forward here. Now we still have too many blocks, but let's try. Where must I put
the
that?
Same.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I think can we reset it?
Yeah, let's reset it.
And then I think you should move forward twice and then you turn right. And then the loop, you should put it in for the move forward. I'm not sure.
Because this is our code now.
Ma'am, can you
Look at our code now. So this code works. We need to put some of it in a loop now.
Yes, the one with 4 move forwards, we can put it in a loop.
This one. We can put this in a loop.
Yes, one of them, and then we repeat it 4 times.
Okay, I think that could help. Let me just drag and drop it properly.
And the one on top, we can also put in a loop.
The one on top.
The 3 of them, yes. And then we'll have, I think, maybe 11 of them.
Okay, let's see. Now we've got 11 of 11 blocks. Let's see. I say, well done, Jonah. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Can we carry on to the next one, guys? Okay. So who's going to help me with this challenge? Carl, can I unmute you and then you help me? There's a dead silence now. So let's attempt it together. Okay, so we need to move forward 1, 2, 3 times, right? 3 times. Move forward. How says he's still thinking, so let's give him a chance. Okay, so we're running 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now do we need to turn left or right, guys? In the chat. Tell me in the chat, please. Do we need to turn left or right? Okay, Amu's telling us right. Now let's move 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks forward. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oops. I did it too far, guys. I was supposed to only go 3 times and I did it 4 times. And now we need to turn left or right, guys. I think we need to turn right. Let me see. And then move forward 3 times. I should have listened to Jonah and Amu and turned left. Okay, what can I do now? I see Amu's hand is up. I'm going to unmute him. Amu, what do I need to do now?
Turn right and move forward 3 times.
Turn right and move forward 3 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. 3 times. Oh, right. Oops. I think that was only supposed to be 2 times. Can I try it? Let's check it out.
Okay.
It was 3 times. It just sounded as if it was bouncing. Let's try it again, Amu.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, well done, Amu. Thank you for your help. I really hope that Khao is going to help me next. Let's carry on to number 13. Oh, this is one that all of us can do. Look closely at the code below. What will happen when you click run? Thank you for the applause, Jonah. We appreciate it. So, A, BB-8 will travel too far in the first loop. BB-8 will not travel far enough in the first loop in order to get all of the scrap metal. BB-8 will collect all of the scrap metal with no problems, or I don't know. So what do you guys think is the answer? Thank you for the applause, Khao, as well. But please vote B, B, C. Okay, let's see. Let's get another vote because it sounds like we're all in the middle. I'm waiting for one more vote. B. Okay, so Gao voted B twice. Amo voted B. Everybody's voting B. Let's see. So we were correct. Well done, guys. Let's carry on to number 14. You are almost there. This time choose any path you like. So we need to go and pick up that piece of scrap metal. Who's going to help me with a possible path to follow? Anyone? Oh, Amu's hand is up. Let's give Amu a chance. Amu, are you going to help me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can I do first? Oh, Gao's hand is also up, so I'm going to give Amu and Gao a chance to speak at the same time. But Amu, you start. Yes, Amu?
Move forward 6 times, then
Okay.
turn right.
Move forward 6 times and then turn right.
Right.
Okay. Should the right be outside of the loop?
Yes, ma'am.
And then move forward how many times?
4 times.
4 times. Okay.
Yes.
Well done, well done, well done. Gao, do you want to try a different route or are you fine?
I'm fine.
Are you fine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's just run this one more time and then we can carry on. So now we are going to do sticker art with loops. So the artist is in the wrong spot. Use the jump to 200 over 200 down block to get the artist to the center of the play area. Then draw a line 50 pixels long with the move forward by 50 pixels block. Who is going to help me with this one? I see Jonah's hand is up. Are you going to help me, Jonah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to add the one that says move. Oh, sorry. Ma'am, it's fine. Ma'am, can you please move the thing that on the instructions? Thank you. We should put
Okay.
the one that says jump forward by 100 pixels.
Okay, jump forward by 100 pixels, yes.
And then we should
then?
change the 200 for. No, ma'am, we're not supposed to put that one. Sorry, I made a mistake.
The other one, yeah, okay.
200.
Yeah. Yes,
And then we should move forward by 50 pixels, the one on top.
Okay. And then? Should I run it and see what happens?
Or we can.
Let's see. That was all. That happened so fast. I'm gonna go a bit slower. Okay. Well done, Jonah. You've done the first puzzle for us. Thank you very much. Let's see who is going to help us with the next puzzle. Now put this code into a repeat block and loop 6 times. So what are we supposed to do? Notice that we have added a 60-degree turn at the end of the looped code. So let's run the code now to see what happens. Oops. Who's going to help me, guys? To put it in a loop, yes. And then we need to repeat it how many times? What is the extra? 6 times, yes. Let's see. Okay, cool. So we are going to go on to the next puzzle. Well done, everyone, and thanks for your help, Alman, Gao, and Jonah. Now, let's add some style changing the brush using the set pattern loop. Okay. So where's our set pattern? So here's our set pattern. So we're going to put that at the top. And now we can choose. What are we going to choose? I like these flowers. What do you guys think? Let's use the flowers, and I'm going to go a bit faster. So now it looks like a flower or something. Let's change it to something different. What are these? Thunderbolts. Let's try that out. What did you guys try on your computers? Jonah, yes? I've unmuted you, Jonah. Okay, Amo says he also used the thunder. Okay, maybe Jonah didn't have a question. Okay, let's carry on to the next puzzle. I like this. This is getting more fun. This icon means that this level is part of a larger project. Okay, cool. So now, let's build something bigger, one step at a time. Get the artist to the center of the play area. Using that, jump to the middle center position and draw a sticker block to make something appear. Okay, this sounds very exciting. So let's do this, and then we draw a sticker. Okay, I'm going to run it quickly. Okay, but now I want to see if it can draw like stickers all around. So I'm going to make it repeat 4 times. Oh, what am I doing wrong, guys? I can either, let me do it this way. Let me choose an elephant, and then I'm going to jump, and then I'm going to draw another elephant. Let me do it this way. But why didn't it want to jump? Because I probably need to jump forward. Because I am at 200 by 200 pixels already. So let's do it this way. So now, yes. Can you see now I'm making this, the shadows of the elephant. And then if I then set the pattern to something different, and I set the color, no. Let's see what happens. Do you think anything is going to happen? It's drawing a line through the elephant. So if I put this also in a loop, then it's going to draw that 4 times. So now I'm off the screen. Let's go backwards by 15, for example. Let's see what happens then. Okay, can you see what it's doing, guys? Is there anyone that wants to suggest something that we can draw for now? Or can we go on to the next level? Anyone? Okay, there's no one that's making a comment. So let's go to the next one. Okay, I'm going to continue. Okay, let's see now. Now use a loop to make the more copies of your sticker. Try changing the numbers in the turn and repeat blocks to make different patterns. That's what we just did now. So I'm going to finish this one as well because we've did this already. And now add a second sticker right on top of the first one and make the image like the ones below. Okay, so now we have done that already, but another thing that we can do is we can jump a few back and then we can go over like this. Let's see what happens if we do it this way. Okay, so now we put the sticker over the other one. Or if we want to put them exactly on top of each other, we are going to have to do it this way. Okay, you guys see? Okay. Let me carry on to the next one. Edit your code so that the jump forward between drawing the two stickers in this puzzle. In this puzzle, make sure you have jump to the middle center inside of your loop so you can stay in the center. So I need to do this. It doesn't click in if you don't do it this way, okay? So now I'm going to say repeat 4 times. And then I'm going to say, for example, move forward and move back. Now you're going to see me jumping up and down. Okay, can you see that? And if I put another move forward over here, okay, yeah, let me do it this way, yes. Then, can you see I'm moving between the elephant and the bird now, and they're not together. Okay. Let me go to continue. Oh, wow. Look at this image that we're going to do now. What happens when you replace one or both of the stickers with a different creature, do you guys think? What's going to happen? Let's get a clue. Do you want a hint? Yes. Use the drop-down menus on a draw to change the images. Yes, we know that. So this is what we've already done, guys, hey? So lesson 7 is a bit boring, especially if you're not into art, but we are going to need this in future. Okay. What happens when you move forward and move backward? That's what I already showed you guys. And then I'm going to skip this one as well. Okay, try changing the repeat loop to run a different number of times. How far do you have to turn to go around in a full circle? Okay, what do you guys think? I think I need help with this one. Because at the moment, I'm just doing this. So what do I need to do to go into a full circle? Jonah, you're going to help me. Can I unmute you? Jonah, can you help me? Are you still thinking?
I'm still thinking, ma'am.
Okay. So here we can say, here we're saying jump to the middle center position. We can take this out. Let's do it this way. Let's jump to the middle center here at the top. Okay. Now we're drawing a sticker. Now we are turning top left. Top right. Let's see what happens if we do it this way. Okay, I see Amu's hand is up. Amu, are you going to help me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
try scrolling down from the instructions. I think there's something.
There is. Try changing how many times you spin. Try a 60-degree turn for 6 times or a 20-degree turn for 18 times around. So that's very good, Amu, to ask me that question. But now, where do I set the degrees? On what instruction? Is it maybe this one?
Maybe. Yes, ma'am. It's that one.
You think so? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's quickly run it and see what happens. But now, because we didn't take this one out, we have a problem. So now we are drawing everything on top of each other. Is that correct? But now if we only want the elephant in a circle, we do it this way. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if we go, they suggest 6 times round with a 60-degree angle. Let's see what will happen then. So now elephants look like that. And if we do a 20-degree round, what's going to happen? 18 times. What's going to happen?
It's going to probably be a bigger circle or something.
Or they're going to be closer together.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, let's try it with, if we do it with a sticker and a, yeah, let's try it with a, let's try something else. This one, and maybe, what else is a similar, this dinosaur kind of a thing. Let's try it with that. So now it looks like the dinosaur has got this funny feathers. But if we just take this out and we reset it and we run it again, then you get this. All right. Can I carry on to the next activity, or do you guys want to try with a different sticker? Okay, I'm going to go on to the next activity. Okay, now make something on your own. What happens when you make 2 separate circles of different stickers? And then they have that design. So what do we need to do? We said repeat 6 times, and then how many degrees do we need to repeat 6 times? How many was it, guys? Can you remember? I'm going to try 90 degrees because no one is giving me a clue of what I need to do. Turn left by 90 degrees again, and then I'm going to make, what is this? This is a llama. Okay, let's do this. I needed to move forward, say, by 50 pixels. Okay. Let's do this. Jump to middle, center position, and then we do it one more time. Are you guys doing this on your computers? How can I make the 2 circles separate from each other? Who can tell me? Do I need to maybe jump, say, 100 pixels? And then let's do a 60-degree and see what happens. Okay. I think I need to jump a bit more, say 120 pixels. Let me just draw it a bit faster. Okay, so can you guys get the idea of what we wanted to do with the art loops? I'm going to go on to the next one. Okay, this is going to be great. Help the bee collect the nectar. Okay, so this is going to be our last one. And we are starting with nested loops. So for tomorrow, actually, I need you to look at nested loops for me. because that's what we're going to do in the class. Let's carry on. Okay, this is going to be great. Help the bee collect all of the nectar. How do we get there? Amu, are you going to help me? Let me unmute you. Amu, what do I need to do?
Ma'am,
Yes.
move forward twice, get nectar, and move forward again and get nectar.
Move forward, forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. Like that.
Yes.
Well done. Okay, let's do one last one and then the lesson is going to be over for today. So let's say continue. And then help the bee collect all of the nectar. Who's going to help me with this one? Jonah, are you going to help me? Gao? Or Amu, are you going to help me again? Anyone? Jonah, Amu? Who else? Okay, let me unmute Jonah.
Nasha, can-
Okay, please.
Okay, I think you should put it in a loop and say, move forward.
Yeah,
Move forward. Ma'am, move forward. Before the get nectar, we should move forward.
yeah.
We should add a move forward.
Ah, okay. Move forward, yes, and then?
Not there, ma'am. Sorry. In the loop, we should put move forward, move forward,
Move forward. Move forward,
move
yes.
forward, and
Yeah,
then get nectar,
yeah,
and then move forward,
yeah.
and then get nectar.
Yes, and then? Turn.
We should turn, I think, right.
Turn right, great. And how many times must we repeat it?
3 times.
3 times, are you sure? Okay.
Yes.
Well done. Well done, Amu. So this is the end of our lesson for today. So tomorrow we are going to carry on with nested loops in the maze, and then we will see how far we get. So please, if you have time between now and tomorrow at 2 o'clock, try to do some of the activities and puzzles in lesson 8 so that we can just revise it all tomorrow. And then so we can carry on as well, because we need to start with our own individual projects. Okay. So thank you very much, everyone, for an awesome class. Have an awesome afternoon. Bye.